Most static websites suffer from a massive engagement deficit. Visitors read a few lines, scroll, and immediately bounce. Look at this gray labyrinth crumbling away to reveal an upward spiral. By shifting from passive articles to an active, gamified pathway, you give users a reason to stay and interact. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to deploy a fully functional, monetized challenge website without writing a single line of code. This strategy is built for affiliate marketers, digital sellers, and coaches who need to convert cold clicks into active participants. To run this setup, you need 3 technical prerequisites: a domain name, a basic WordPress hosting account, and a complete site backup file. Shifting a visitor from passive reading to active, gamified participation reduces the cost of acquiring traffic. Instead of paying for empty clicks, you bring in users who must engage with the material to progress. Action-based challenges demand participation. When a visitor checks off a daily task, they invest their own time into the platform, which warms them up much faster than skimming a standard blog post. For coaches, breaking a large goal down into small daily steps allows prospects to experience minor victories. These quick wins build trust and naturally pre-qualify the user for your services. For affiliate marketers, the challenge reframes the promotion entirely. An affiliate link is introduced as a necessary tool required to complete the next step of the challenge, rather than a cold pitch. A user who follows through on multiple challenge steps proves they are motivated to solve their problem. That translates directly into significantly higher buying intent compared to a casual website visitor. Setting up the platform relies on a zero-code deployment strategy using a simple backup file restoration method. You start by installing the Vivid Backup plugin into a blank WordPress dashboard. The interface receives a single compressed file. Once uploaded, the restore function instantly unpacks the architecture, populating your site with 100 categorized challenge modules. On the front end, this restoration automatically assembles a sleek, gamified user dashboard with progress tracking. Immediately after the import finishes, use the Admin Username Changer plugin to update your credentials. This is a critical security requirement to prevent unauthorized access. Executing this single file restoration gives you a working system in minutes, bypassing the weeks of custom development and thousands of dollars typically required to code a membership site from scratch. Once the audience is engaged, you can begin extracting revenue through the platform's 3 built-in monetization engines. Step 1 is the built-in WooCommerce shop, preloaded with digital products, meaning you have immediate inventory ready to sell to your challenge participants. To activate these sales, navigate to the WooCommerce settings and connect a payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal to process instant transactions. Next is the integrated affiliate banner system. You can drop specific promotional banners directly alongside the challenge steps where users are highly engaged. Finally, you can cross-promote your personal coaching offers by placing links right on the user's private member dashboard or beneath individual challenge modules. Distributing these 3 monetization engines within the natural gamified flow of the site prevents banner blindness and captures users exactly when they are ready for a recommendation. Gamification also serves a secondary purpose, creating a free, organic traffic loop that pulls new visitors into your funnels. When a user checks off a step, an automated prompt encourages them to share their progress on social media. That single action fires a broadcast signal to an external network, causing 3 new users to return. As new arrivals complete tasks, they broadcast their own signals, multiplying rapidly. This sharing mechanic creates a self-sustaining word-of-mouth engine, continuously feeding highly targeted, pre-qualified traffic right back into your monetization pathways. You have now progressed from a blank domain to a live, monetized, and traffic-ready gamified platform. Because the architecture and challenges run autonomously, your single remaining task is to drive the initial wave of participants to your first challenge. To access the complete Challenge Profits Fortune system and download the backup files, click the link in the video description. Apply the promo code CHALLENGEFORTUNE at checkout to secure a $5 discount before the launch window permanently closes.